Hi everybody, this is Brigitte from Notch and Swatch, and today we're going to be talking about rotary cutters. A rotary cutter is a circular blade that's shaped like a pizza cutter, and it's perfectly suited to cutting quilting pieces and fabrics that are difficult to handle, like slinky silks and knits. We'll need a few tools to get started today. You'll need your rotary cutter, a cutting mat, weights, and a few optional tools include a hard edge ruler and a suction cup grip. Using a rotary cutter is really simple. Just lay out your fabric, weigh it down, and cut. Or if you're quilting, square off your fabric, use your ruler, and cut your straight line. And make sure to always cut at a 90-degree angle. Rotary cutters are adaptable because they can be used in place of scissors on a variety of different projects. Like scissors, they can also be used on paper projects. Just make sure to use your fabric blade on fabric only. They come in a variety of different shapes and sizes depending on what your project requires, and are convertible so that they can be used by righties or lefties. And when the blade gets dull, you can simply replace it. Equally important to the rotary cutter is your mat. If you cut into a hard surface like a wood table, it will damage your blade, it will damage your table, and it could damage your fabric. When searching online for a cutting mat, you'll often find the term self-healing. So what does that mean? The mat surface is made of a rubber that when cut, expands ever so slightly. The thin, precise cuts that your blade makes allows the rubber to seal back together. In order to maintain the health of your mat, it needs to stay hydrated. Keeping your mat moisturized is what allows the rubber to self-heal. So how do we do this? It's recommended that you wipe it down with a cool, damp cloth after every use, and every once in a while, soak it in cool water. If it doesn't fit in a bathtub, try a kiddie pool. And if neither of those are options, get a vinyl tablecloth and sandwich your mat in between two cool, damp towels. Make sure you lay it flat to dry, as warp damage is usually irreversible. Speaking of warping, it's important to remove all irons, coffee cups, and tonight's dinner from your mat, as the heat will cause damage. This has been your primer on rotary cutters. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Tool links and time codes are in the description. My name is Brigitte Byrne of Brigitte Byrne Costume Couture. You can find all of my information down below as well. This has been Notch and Swatch. Always remember to backstitch. Hi everyone! No. Model turn. And that's it. Nope. No, it's not.
No, it's not. It's fine. It's not it.